It's all about environment at Leeds. The support that you get from the faculty, from the graduate school, from the doctoral college, from people like myself who work in the support services or the library. We are here to actually help you to develop the skills employers will be looking for after you finish your PhD.
You'll be affiliated to our world-leading research centres and have the opportunity to benefit from the research, training and outstanding support that we provide for all our postgraduate researchers.
My two supervisors are experts in their fields, and their expertise was actually what made me decide to come here. They've offered me a lot of expertise, challenged me when I needed to be challenged, helped me when I needed to be helped.
And I feel really privileged that I've had the opportunity to do a full year of fieldwork and speak with many people over multiple interviews. I hope to pursue a career in research, whether that be in academia, civil society, or public sector organizations. And the skills that I've developed are prerequisites for many of those different roles.
There's certainly a lot of opportunity at Leeds across the board that you might not get at other institutions. I've been entrusted with a significant degree of teaching that is highly relevant to my research areas, and that's been hugely beneficial as I've gone through the process of the PhD.
I chose Leeds because I want to have a career in academia. Someone who wants to work in academia needs to be critical, needs to know how to judge someone's work and critique. And I believe by the time I'm through with this program, I am going to be very good.
Postgraduate community across the university is incredibly vibrant and incredibly diverse. The last 3 years has been amongst the most interesting and academically stimulating experiences of my professional life.
I found the postgraduate community to be really supportive, and I found people to be really welcoming and offering advice about applying for funding and what trainings to do.
I would wholeheartedly advise you to apply to the University of Leeds. The university itself has been a huge influence on the way that my research career has gone, and I've been able to develop as a person as well. And I actually think that that is completely down to the people who have been here.
I think that Leeds is one of the best places that you ever get. People embrace everyone and personalize this place as a home.